Today, we're diving into a very exciting leak that has been making waves in the tech world, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. A hands-on video recently surfaced, giving us a detailed look at this upcoming device, but it was quickly taken down. Could this mean Samsung is trying to keep things under wraps? Let's break down everything we saw before the video disappeared. Now, the Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup has already been launched, but Samsung has been teasing another addition to the series. This device, called the Galaxy S25 Edge, is designed to compete directly with the rumored iPhone 17 Air by offering a flagship experience and ultra-slim form factor. And based on what we saw in the leaked video, it looks like Samsung is delivering on that promise. The video, originally uploaded by a Spanish YouTube tech reviewer, showcased the Galaxy S25 Edge next to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. One of the most striking aspects of the device is its rear camera design, which, interestingly, resembles the iPhone 16. But the real question on everyone's mind is, just how thin is it? From what we could see, when compared to the Fold 6, the Galaxy S25 Edge is just slightly thicker. That places it somewhere above 5.6 millimeters, but likely within the 6 millimeters range that has been previously reported. This makes it one of the slimmest flagship phones ever. However, achieving this sleek design does come with some trade-offs. One of the biggest concerns with ultra-thin phones is battery capacity. According to the specs shown in the video, the Galaxy S25 Edge packs a 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery. While this is decent, some argue that Samsung could have pushed for a 5000 mAh battery by using silicon battery technology. But since the phone's main selling point is its slim profile, it seems Samsung has prioritized design over battery size. Powering the Galaxy S25 Edge is the same Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset found in the rest of the S25 lineup. So despite its slim form factor, performance shouldn't be an issue. The leaked video also revealed that the phone is expected to feature a 12-megapixel front camera and a 200-megapixel ultra rear camera. However, due to limitations in the app used to check specs, the rear camera was incorrectly detected as 12 megapixel in the video. In terms of memory and storage, the hands-on model in the video showed 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. While there could be other storage options available at launch, it's great to see that Samsung isn't cutting corners on RAM. With the improved Galaxy AI powered by Google's Gemini, 12 gigabytes of RAM is likely necessary for smooth performance and efficient multitasking. Now, industry insiders suggest that the official launch of the Galaxy S25 Edge is just around the corner. The S25 Edge? Are you excited about this ultra-slim design, or do you think Samsung should have focused more on battery life? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today's video. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest smartphones and leaks. Stay tuned for more exciting tech content, and we'll see you in the next one. San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 gigabytes models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes: 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans! The moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.